Hello guys, today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut. Okay, if you want to edit your video, you can edit your video through CapCut or InShot or TikTok. Okay, but I normally use CapCut to edit my video because all these video we are generating is 8 seconds, 6 seconds. So you have to make sure that when you generate it, you join it together with CapCut, okay? So that's why I'm going to explain this for you right now. So if you have your CapCut or you download it from Google's Play Store. So let's go now. You come down to this CapCut, you click on it. So guys, this is the interface. But if you are new, if you don't have CapCut before, you have to download it from Google Play Store, guys. So after you download it, you sign in and your interface will look like this. So the next thing is you can edit your photo also. You can edit video. So you click on this area as a video editor. So you click this. So now let me just join these two things together. This one, and then I will add it. So guys, look at this right now. This is it. Let me first play it. So let me pause it. So what I'm trying to say now, where you join it, let me scroll it down to this where it's joined together with this other one. Okay, I hope everybody see this. Let me show you very well. This area, this is where it's joined together with the second one. Okay, don't forget that you have many like that, but immediately you see this area, you want to join it. We don't want a situation whereby it will be playing and it will be before people will know that this is joint video. Okay guys, so what we are going to do right now is to click this. Do you see that? So immediately you click it, all this place will turn up on like this. So you look for I normally use miss, okay? You use miss, you look at it, looking at it and check for the miss. So guys, I normally use this dazzle, quick dazzle. So to make the joint easier and will not reflect, okay? So by the time you click on it like this, okay, so it will, okay, so now welcome to Emika's lingerie. Do you see that? Let me play it for you. Lingerie, we have exquisite pieces just for you. Thank you. Come with me, let me show you around. After you, please. I'm sure you will like this. Wow, these are beautiful. So let me show you again. See the joint area here. Welcome to Emika's lingerie. We have exquisite pieces just for you. Thank you. Come with me. Let me show you around. After you, please. I'm sure you will like this. So that wow, is the joint. And then the next thing here to do is to make sure that if you want to, maybe you come down to this edit area. Under this edit, maybe you want to split, you want to cut some area out of it. For instance now, if I come down to this area, maybe I don't like this area, I will just come down here, I will click on the split. So now the split has done. So don't forget that I want to cut this area. So I will just click on it I will click on it, like you can see that it's updated like this. Immediately I now click delete. You can see now it will delete immediately. So you can cut like that. Okay, you can also use in this place, just check all this. Maybe you want to crop. Can you see I have pressed on crop right now? So anything you want to crop, you can crop it out. Maybe whether you have watermarks that you want to crop out, or you want some area you don't want it to reflect. So you just have to hold your click like this. Okay, so you can just crop it in this form, crop it, and then you can just lower it like this, like this. So that is exactly how you can crop. So you leave it, and after you have done, you check it. So you check it like that. So, and then the other one is if you want to write, okay, go back right now. If you want to write on this now, maybe you want to write anything on this, so you can come down to this text area. So you click on the text and then you add text. So you can see right now the text has been added. So to type, so you can check the fonts. Okay, you can check the fonts you want to use. All this font now, you can select it based on your choice and just look for the one that can be okay. So for instance, if I use this one, okay, now, so let me just text something, write something down on it. So thanks for watching. You can add it, you can add all this one, but if you want to write your own, you can edit it like this and write your own. Okay, maybe now money boss, AI. Okay, so money boss AI, and then if you do like that and go for the font, you can select fonts here, the fonts you want to use, so that if the font is, maybe you can use Italy, you can use block. It based on the font you want to use. So let me use Italy right now. If I click on Italy, you can see that it changed. So if I click on block right now, you can see it change. So it's based on your choice. If I use scripts, you can see the way, and then you have to adjust it. You want to adjust it now, you can use your hand to drag it to wherever you want. Okay, to drag it to wherever you want it to be. So this is how to use fonts. But if you don't want to write anything on your video, doesn't mean, just edit it purely. Okay, so after this one, now let me just cancel this one. Let me edit this. So after this, you just have to go back again. Okay, you go back, and then the text, you can see this text right now. So if you want it to be in the video all over, because if you look at it now, if I play it right now, you can see that it has disappeared. Okay, it has disappeared because it's not all over the video. It's only display that whenever it comes to this area, it will show. But if you want it to be all over the video, you have to drag it like this. You can see the way I'm dragging it. So I have dragged it to this, to everywhere here where the video stop. Okay, so whenever you are playing it all over the video, it will just be there, it will not remove again. You can see right now. So that is how it will be. So you can write anything like that and adjust it. Okay, so you just play away with it, and just 2 or 3 days you play away with it, you will understand the CAPCUT. Okay, so how to understand this CAPCUT. Okay guys, so welcome to MK. That is
lingerie. We have exquisite
exactly
pieces just for
how
you.
to edit with CapCut, guys. So if you find this, if there is any question, you can let me know in the comment section, guys. Peace.